What if I told you there's an airline stock quietly paying a 4.7% dividend yield, growing that dividend at over 51% over the last 5 years, and almost no one on YouTube is talking about it? And no, it's not Delta, it's not American, it's not United, it's Copa Holdings, ticker symbol CPA, and I currently hold 21.14 shares at a cost of 101.58, and it is currently trading at 148.03. Let's talk about why this stock might be one of the most overlooked dividend growth plays in the airline sector. And here's the real question. Why is a profitable airline with a strong balance sheet, operating margins that beat most U.S. carriers, and a growing dividend trading like no one cares? And more importantly, should dividend investors be paying attention right now? Let's break it down. Copa Airlines stock CPA represents Copa Airlines based in Panama. And here's what makes them different. They operate the hub of the Americas in Panama City, strategically connecting North America, Central America, South America, and the Caribbean. Think of it like the Latin American version of a hyper-efficient connecting machine. Unlike major U.S. carriers, they focus heavily on profitable international routes. They maintain tight cost controls, and historically, they've run one of the strongest balance sheets in the airline industry. That's rare in airlines. And also, I know that people say not to take stocks personally. I was born in Panama. It is our national airline, so I do hold it with pride, and I'm glad that it is a growing dividend stock. Let's talk income, because that's why this stock is interesting. CPA currently yields approximately 4.70%. But what really stands out, a 5-year dividend growth rate of 51.76. There's the dividends right there. It's actually, as of today, Friday, February 26th, it is 4.62 with an annual payout of $6.84. The dividend recently went up 5.2%. It is paying $1.71 every quarter. That's not normal for airlines. Airlines are cyclical. Airlines cut dividends. Airlines go bankrupt. Yet Copa restored and aggressively grew its dividend after the pandemic faster than many expected. For dividend growth investors, that combination of solid yield, strong recovery, high growth rate is rare in this sector. And here's something most investors miss. Copa has historically posted industry-leading operating margins compared to U.S. legacy carriers. They've avoided the overexpansion mistakes many airlines made. They kept their fleet strategically disciplined, and they maintained strong liquidity. In a capital-intensive business like aviation, balance sheet strength matters more than hype. And that's likely why they were able to restart dividend growth so aggressively. And this is my snowball analytics showing the growth there. That is at 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, year to date, 1 year, 5 years, 506% going back from 2005. And so why is no one talking about Copa stock? 3 reasons. It's not a U.S.-based airline. It doesn't get mainstream media coverage. Airline stocks in general scare dividend investors. But sometimes the best opportunities are the ones hiding in plain sight. When sentiment is neutral, valuations stay reasonable. As I mentioned, I currently hold 21.14 shares at $101.54. For me, this isn't a quick trade. It's a calculated dividend growth position in a company that has geographic advantage, has shown post-pandemic resilience, and is rewarding shareholders again. Just bringing you, that is my market return. My total return, that's my market return, is 45.73, and my total return, 52.51%. And I've held this stock since 2023. That's the yield, my yield on cost, a 51.76 dividend growth rate, and annual dividend income of $144.60. Is it risk-free? Absolutely not. Airlines are cyclical. Fuel prices fluctuate. Global travel demand shifts. But risk and reward go together. But here's what I want to know from you. Are airline dividend stocks undervalued right now? I know Copa is. Or is this a value trap? Or would you rather own a high-yield U.S. carrier or a disciplined international operator like Copa? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoy deep dives into overlooked dividend stocks like Copa, SCHD, QQQI, and dividend-focused portfolio strategies, make sure you subscribe. I want to find the best way to invest my hard-earned $5 every day, $2 every day, $1 every day. Want to make sure that you're getting the best value for your buck, because sometimes the market's quietest stocks pay the loudest dividends. Please like and subscribe if you see value in what I am doing. I do have other videos for QQQI, CHPY, GDXY, SEHD, and FDVV. If you do see value in those, please subscribe. I do have a playlist with all those videos. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll talk to you again soon.